to know if it could be the kind of girl you could be down for. I wanna rock with you.
Hi Wonderfros, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony and yeah girl, guy, y'all, this happened. So today I'm going to be going over how I achieved this look. Okay, this is a flexi rod set on blow dried hair, and after one long uncomfortable night's sleep I remembered why I stopped. I literally have not done a flexi rod set since I was transitioning, which was 3 years ago, and I just can't, y'all. I can't sleep in it, at least I'll say that much. It sucks really bad, but the results are so pretty, and I used some spray on hair color, so yeah, I just wanted to switch it up a bit. I will link above the video that I did when I blow dried my hair so you guys know what I was starting off on. But before we jump into any more details, don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it, and subscribe down below if you like this type of content so you don't miss any more videos from me. And without further ado, let's jump into it. So everything is pretty self-explanatory. I'll show you guys in the demo portion, but I used the purple flexi rod. I had to get another pack from Sally's because I had some already, but I didn't have enough, or at least I didn't want to run out. So I used purple flexi rods the whole time. I also used the Adria Beauty leave-in conditioner and their curl cream, curl defining cream. Ultimately, I don't think these products were the best fit for my hair because after putting this on there, it started to revert back a lot, which gave me a little bit of peace knowing that my hair didn't suffer any heat damage. But these made my hair, because they're water-based, revert back very quickly. You guys will see that in the demo portion as well, but I do still like the results. I think it did contribute to a lot of the fluffiness. I think I expected it to come out a little more defined, but I think I should have used a gel if I was gonna expect more defined results. But this is everything. I love this so much. Like, it just looks so good to me, and it just looks so full and amazing and flowy, which I love. So maybe the puffiness I'm not like a super big fan of, but I do like the fullness and the volume of it. So yeah, you can determine if these products would be a good fit for you. But again, I was starting off on blow dried hair, and I don't know, I guess I just got bit by the color bug. I wanted to do something different with my hair, give it a little bit more dimension, but not in a normal dimension way. So yes, I did purple. Okay, and I know I'm gonna get a question about this lip. This is Heroin. It's by MAC, and yes, it matches my hair. Y'all like how I did that? But I used the Salon Graphics High Intense Spray On Hair Color. I used up an entire can. I only got one at first, and I had to make an emergency trip out to the beauty supply store and get another one and put back on some more color, y'all, because your girl ran out. But yeah, this is what everything is looking like. I'll show you guys exactly what I did in the demo portion, and yeah, I'll be back with my final thoughts at the end. Hey guys, so there's a few things I forgot to mention during the video, like always. Number one is that I used 25 flexi rods. I know somebody is gonna ask me, but I used 25 for my whole head altogether. And to be honest, I feel like I could have used more because some of the sections came out less defined. Number two is that my ends revert back a lot. So you're gonna see that in the video, but it's okay. I prefer for them to be a little bit wet because then they wrap around the flexi rod easier than if they were dry, because my ends are pretty blunt. Number three is that I feel like watching the footage back, I was so extra, okay? Like, I definitely think I could have sprayed my hair after I did a flexi rod set instead of during, but whatever, you live and you learn. Hindsight is 2020. And overall, this is not a tutorial. I'm showing you guys what I did, but you do not have to follow and do what I did. In fact, I suggest not doing that. For me, I guess it was like a brain thing. Trying to twirl the flexi rod around was just throwing me. I don't know if I started twisting in different directions or if I even edited all of that footage out, but you'll see the swirls and curls in my hair are going all different kinds of directions. So yeah, definitely a learning curve for me. So yeah, that is everything, and I'll let you guys keep watching. So overall, I do really like everything. I like how it came out. I think my method was like a little bit extra, at least with the spray on hair color. I feel like I could have done that at the end. I didn't have to do it with the products. But yeah, y'all, this is everything and I'm loving it. There is a little bit of transfer, but for the most part, if you don't touch it, it doesn't really come off. I had a different t-shirt on before and it didn't really come off, so I like it that it doesn't transfer, which is great. I do feel like it's a little bit drying, so I don't plan on keeping my hair like this. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and let me know what you think about me and hair color, okay? Maybe we'll get a little bit more into that because I've been wanting my hair to have some more dimension to it lately. That's been my thing. I want some more dimension. So yeah, I'm loving it. Hopefully you guys are too. Let me know what you think down below in the comments section. Don't forget to check out any of my other social media platforms over here and any of my previous uploads over here. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an Afro puff, and subscribe down below to my world so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Now I gotta go take pictures because this is definitely gonna be on the gram.